The best way to pass your HCIE routing and switching, written, V3.0 exam is to choose Passcert latest H12261_V3.0-ENU dumps for your best preparation. You can practice real H12261_V3.0-ENU questions and answers that will appear in the actual test so that you can pass your HCIE routing and switching, written, V3.0 exam successfully. Question 1. Which of the following statements about the concept of multicast is wrong? A. Multicast router or layer 3 switch that supports the 3-layer multicast function. B. Multicast group members. Multicast group members can be widely distributed anywhere in the network. C. Multicast group. A set identified by an IP multicast address. D. Multicast source. The sender of information, who needs to join the multicast group to provide the forwarding of multicast group messages. Answer. D. Question 2. Which multicast protocol can generate a multicast distribution tree? A. PIMv2. B. IGIMPv2. Circa OSPF. D. BGP. Answer. A. Question 3. Which of the following description is wrong about the establishment way of BFD session? A. Statically configuring a BFD session refers to manually configuring BFD session parameters through the command line, including local identifiers and remote identifiers, etc. B. When a BFD session is dynamically established, the local identifier is dynamically allocated. Circa BFD sessions can only be established dynamically. D. The system distinguishes static BFD by dividing the identifier area. Answer. C. Question 4. When configuring source NAT with no PAT configuration parameters, which of the following statements is correct? A. Only the destination IP address translation session and dynamic BFD session. B. Perform destination IP address and destination port conversion. C. Simultaneous conversion of source IP address and source port. D. Only source IP address translation. Answer. D. Question 5. Which statement is correct about multicast packet forwarding? A. In the multicast transmission mode, the destination address of the message can clarify the location of the receiver. B. The source address of the multicast packet is a unicast address. Circa RPF check failure indicates that the multicast data packet is received from the suboptimal interface, but the inbound interface will still receive the multicast traffic and forward it downstream. D. The IGMP snooping function cannot control the range of multicast traffic flooding in the Ethernet. Answer. B. Question 6. Which of the following functions will affect BGP neighbor establishment? Multiple choice. A. BGP authentication. B. BGP GSTM. Circa BGP route filtering. D. eBGP max hop. Answer. Abed. Question 7. Which types of messages does the BGP protocol support? Multiple choice. A. Open. B. Keep alive. C. Update. D. Hello. Answer. ABC. Question 8. What security zone does Huawei Firewall provide by default? Multiple choice. A. Trust zone. B. Security area. C. Local area. D. On-trust zone. Answer. ACD. Question 9. Which version of the VRRP protocol is correct? Multiple choice. A. VRRP v2 is only applicable to IPv4. B. VRRP v3 does not support authentication. C. VRRP v2 supports authentication. D. VRRP v3 is only applicable to IPv6. Answer. ABC. Question 10. Which description of IGMP snooping is correct? Multiple choice. A. IGMP snooping solves the problem of multicast packets broadcast at layer 3. B. IGMP snooping does not consume the CPU of the switch. Circa IGMP snooping builds a MAC multicast address table by monitoring IGMP messages sent by the host. D. IGMP snooping runs at the link layer and is a multicast restriction mechanism on the Layer 2 Ethernet switch, which is used to manage and control multicast groups. Answer. CD.